Acura Legend owners and enthusiasts. We are on the haul of the day. Got a 94 LS Auto. That's my buddy Brian. Found this car. Gonna bring it back to life or part it. So let's see how we can get up on the trailer. This car's not in bad shape. Doesn't have a motor in it currently, but got a little rust.
What about 3 flat tires? 4 flat.
Like all of them. Clean coupe. Just needs a little love in the fenders. But yeah. Gonna load this up on this trailer and get it back to the shop.
Can you hear us? Looks like we're good.
Hold the e-brake for a sec. Put the e-brake right there, and then we'll have someone to help us push it the rest of the way on. Okay,
Just stay in the car, though.
yeah, just carry it. Pop the brake off for a second. Just like hold it. Okay, stop. Stop sliding. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I'm sorry, I thought you were. Well, as you can see, she's all loaded up on the trailer. This one, it's time to go back and get some love. I don't know if it's gonna be parts or whole. If you want the car to be restored for somebody, I'm your man. Message me and we'll work something out. Because it is honestly in good shape. Got good bumper lights, good headlights, good hood, fenders. Bumper got a little hitch damage, but yeah. You know, time to get this back home and see what I can do with it. So follow along and see what else I pick up today, because today is a legend day of just legends that I don't need and I keep buying. What's up, Legend fam? We got back to the garage. The first coupe is getting backed in right now, and we're gonna put it in here. This is the trailer backup king. Let's see if he slowly. And now, what was once one legend is now 2. Well, 2 out of 3 legends are officially here. The 6-speed LS coupe, the Auto LS coupe, 93, 94, and yeah. This is gonna be fun. I got space for another one, possibly a 4th, a 5th, a 6th, 7th. I could fit a lot in here. So yeah, let's get these cars in here and see what's gonna go on with them. At spot number 2, picking up this 94 LS Auto Type 2 coupe. Doesn't have a lot of miles, rust free if you will, and check it out. All right, inside the car, first drive. Woo, 166,531 miles. Tranny shift's good, brakes work, and yeah, let's get it pulled up here because it is blistering hot. I'm getting guided how to turn. This is clearly an adventure.
Okay.
Because smacked Legend up on a U-Haul trailer using a tow truck, another truck, and this.
Yep.
Pretty freaking funny. Well, guys, the coupe is all loaded up, strapped in. Because they cut the cat off and some other things, it was pretty difficult to load up. But as you can see in the video, it was just like crank it, turn it, do this, do that, and get it on the trailer. So here it is, and now we're gonna head back to the shop and get it unloaded. Look at this beautiful piece. I mean, I wish you didn't wreck the front end because that's where all the money's at. But these wheels, or the other wheels, are going on the red car. Gonna salvage from here back. Good doors, good fender wells, like I said, no rust, not even bubbling, nothing. Like, we're talking clean. Got a good rear bumper, trunk lid shot, of course. But as you can see underneath, that's pretty clean. This car originally came from Colorado, lasted in Pennsylvania for 11 days, and then got totaled. But, oops, what did I step on? Yeah, this is it's a good keeper. It's in good shape. Like I said, just got to lose the front end. And I'm debating if this is going to be turned into some cool project or if somebody needs both quarters, I'm going to cut them off and sell them to them. So let's go to the shop. Well, number 3 is here. Let's bring it home. Somebody just hit it. It's fine. It'll work out. You're good. So here's where we go from 2. Add that 3rd. And then I gotta get my other 2. Here we go, the offload. Almost. Oh, shit. No brakes. There we go. Very slow. Yeah. Like, that's full e-brake. Works. Not really. All right, the 3rd Legend is here. This makes number 5 that I currently own. This is ridiculous. But, yeah. 6-speed, auto, good motor transmission, ran until smacked. No engine installed. Transmission's there. Everything else is there. 166,000 miles, 123,000 miles. And this is, I don't know, we're at like 273, I think. But anyways, this is going to become the Targa. This is going to become for parts or back half the car and turn it into a trailer. And that one, I don't know. Inbox me if you want a car built. It's not going to be cheap, but hey, if you got like 10, 15 grand around, that is the car you'd want. So hope you enjoyed the luxury life of me of buying stupid cars that I don't ever need and doing something with them. So call me the Legend Savior, because the other guy in Florida, he's definitely not the savior compared to me now. I've got way too much shit in comparison. So that's it, guys. See you on the next one. Look at that. This man got killer pull-out method. Keep going. You're good. Well, once the car's passed, you're good. A man likes it tight. He's good at pulling out. Woo-wee. I mean, 1 coupe, 2 coupe, 3 coupe, 4 coupe, and a sedan? Whew. I don't know who's going to stunt on me, but put your games up, because we got 3 6-speeds, 2 autos, all type 2 or better, nitrous, turbo builds. If you need Legend parts, or if you need a guy to put them together for you, it ain't going to be cheap, but I'm the guy to do it. Hit me up. I'll throw you up on the lift, and let's get this year going for you. It's the year of the Legends. I'm tired of seeing them die for no reasons. This went to scrap, and I pulled it out. Why? Because it's low mileage. It's in good shape. No rust. This one, saved it from Texas. It was free, okay? Spent almost $2,000 getting it up here because it needs parts. That one, we're not even going to discuss that. That was another shop that tried to do a swap, bailed. Like, come on, people. You can do better than that. If you got a 91 through 95 Acura Legend coupe sedan, type 1, type 2, manual, auto, I don't care. Hit me up and I will get your shit right, whether it's in a parts department, or if you need full motors, or if you need them swapped and built. Hit me up. My Instagram is @BigPunCustoms. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me anywhere on the forums. If you type in Acura Legend Turbo and you can't find me, and my name is Lou, I don't know what to tell you, because I'm the king of this shit. Well, the Legends are home. It's time to start some projects. So if you like seeing these types of projects, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video, because this is going to be cool. This is going to be cool, and that's definitely going to be interesting. So stick around, and see you on the next one.